National President yang kasang National People's Party Conrad ke sangma ula ongba hadu mentahi udang tu banyak kon ya election ajar pulai tang na kawai Constituency bakata kalong ka South Tura habe keren bagi nak khobor selong ka artarik una pana ajar puar Conrad ula ongba omdan dik tu banyak kon ki artik Constituency ya kan pan ui akading page bagi start jong ka party larau Conrad Ïakhun na South Tura hak election ajar pulai u habaya kon persya ya ukotong jaga seng BJP bau tau long Bernard and Marak. Laban kedua ni bagi khubor kelami akan digisngi bau Conrad ulak banyak kun. Nagi atli Constituency berkata kalong nak salsela hadirin baka ketong lain di ka MLA juga di kaseng ka Ferlin sangma kalamino ada kaseng NPP ban penyeso asya kaseng BJP.
I will not be contesting from two constituencies. Right now, as of now, I am only contesting from South Tura constituency. So I'm very clear on that. I have full faith in my constituency. I have worked very hard in my constituency and I've built up. So there's no question of me leaving my constituency as such. In terms of contesting from another constituency, I have not decided on that yet. The party also has not decided on that yet. We will see the situation, how it unfolds. But as I said, my primary constituency, which is South Tura, is the constituency where, as of now and at the moment, I intend to contest, and I will contest from South Tura for sure.